gosh, I cannot even go outside. The flag fell! It fell! Oh, the basketball hoop is being raised on its own. Oh my gosh, the flag fell. There's branches rolling down the street. The flowers have been knocked over. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I just woke up. I woke up late. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow, severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my goodness. Oh! It's so loud! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh! Look at it! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! The power line! Oh my gosh! Look at the stop sign! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Dude, the pole's gonna snap! No! Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh! It's picking up! Look at it! Look at how big it is! Look at the stop sign! Oh! Oh my gosh! I cannot even go outside. The flag fell! It fell! Oh! The basketball hoop is being raised on its own. Oh my gosh, the flag fell. There's branches rolling down the street. The flowers have been knocked over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trash flung at me. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the stop sign. Look, there's a bird taking shelter in here. Oh my gosh. Look, the basketball hoop is being raised on its own every now and then. The flag fell. Oh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh. Oh. They continued the severe warning. I want to see what the update is. I can't even talk. Oh, I see even more flowers got knocked over. What the heck? Really, all my mom's flowers are knocked over. It's gonna be so sad. And also, I just noticed I walked through like 2 inches of water here at least. Probably 3 or 4 inches. My foot is entirely sunk in this. What is happening? Oh my gosh, I love this. This is what I was born to do. I'm an idiot, but if you guys like idiots, make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know if this will be the end of the video or not, but this is definitely the end of the storm vlog. Look, our neighbors didn't lose their flag, but we lost ours. How come? How come? not fair. Alright, whatever. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I know I've said that like 30 times in this video, but... Dude, look at that. The flowers are getting rolled around. No, I don't want to go out there, but... Holy crap. Big tree limbs downed over there, by the way. I'm just thankful it's not a lot worse, because it definitely could be. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can't even tell on the video, but holy crap, is it windy. Look at the pot, it's getting rolled around. Oh, that thunder scared the life out of me. Oh my gosh. I'm getting rained on so hard, by the way. We may get under a flash flood warning. This is extremely torrential. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What is happening? So just for context, the only time we've had a storm strong enough to take down the flagpole was during the derecho, where there were 80-mile-per-hour winds. Oh my gosh! I am so glad that my mom woke me up when she did, or else I would have missed this, and I would have been so angry. Oh my gosh! Oh, I don't even think I want to go outside yet. I didn't even see the moment where the flagpole actually got taken down. I don't even have shoes on. Oh. Oh, I hope everybody's okay. Oh, I hope everybody's okay. I'm losing my voice. And I've only said about 100 words this morning. Most of them have been, oh my gosh. So, for a recap, flowers knocked over, blown around, flagpole completely snapped, which is a huge deal. We got big-time tree limbs down over there. I don't know if you can see those, but... Again, I don't know how it's not a lot worse. Again, the camera doesn't look like anything crazy, but I promise you those were 60-mile-an-hour winds. Dude, oh my gosh, it's getting flooded. Dude, it is flooding. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Yes. This is the best day of my year so far. What? No, the wind's picking up again. The rain's blowing sideways. No. No. Wait, should I do a Jim Cantori? What are you doing, flowers? Okay. All right, are you done? Are you done? Well, this isn't very pleasant. Oh my goodness. I'm literally gonna have to give my mom like $1,000 for waking me up. There's not even that much thunder. That's the crazy part. Like, I had a storm yesterday. I don't know if that video is going to get posted now that I have this, but I had a storm yesterday that was way more electrified than this. Oh my goodness. That... Oh crap, it's picking up again just a little bit. We may get under a flash flood warning, I'm not even joking. Alright, I think I can run in this now. What is that over there? Oh my gosh, is my dog okay? Oh, my camera's getting all wet. Okay, maybe I can't run out there yet. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. If you say so. If you frickin' say so. Oh! The wind is picking up, ladies and gentlemen. If I was standing out there, the wind would be so loud, you would not be able to hear me. I really thought that tree was gonna snap for a little bit, this big boy. Oh, gosh. Okay, please just let up. I get it, you're a storm, you're cool. Okay, look at this. It snapped from the bottom. Guys, my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna get all wet. Okay. By the way, this is what our yard looks like now. Lots and lots of tree limbs. So that's neat. Holy crap, dude. That was insane. That was just wild. I don't... How big is this? This is taller than me. This is probably about 5.5 feet. That's insane. Maybe like 5'5". How big is this one? Not as big. Okay. Well, good to know. The beast. All right, here's the beastie one. This one is very tall. Hold on. How do I get it in frame with me here? It's touching the ground. I wish I could oh, I can zoom out. What am I talking about? No, I can't zoom out. What? Well, it's touching the ground, I promise, and it's taller than me. So, see? This one is at least 7 feet.